All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a cold start on this 1974 Dino 246 GTS with the fender flares and the Daytona style seat inserts, the chairs and flares. So we have Johnny here with the temperature probe. Just gonna go ahead and read the heads right there. 76.5 degrees Fahrenheit. It is in the mid 70s outside today, so that looks to be right. We haven't started this in about a day. So without further ado, Johnny's gonna go ahead and fire her up. We're in the car now for another engine start. I'm just going to show the gauges, specifically the oil pressure rising. The car is obviously very cold right now. But without further ado,